In a world where most blockchain games rely heavily on luck and randomness, we set out to create something different. A game that rewards skill, strategy, and intellect. Our chess-based blockchain game leverages semi-fungible tokens or SFTs, allowing players to buy, sell, and trade their assets based on actual in-game performance, not chance. Our app, ChessForge, brings transparency, fairness, and real ownership into the gaming world. Using Aptos blockchain, we ensure fast, secure, and scalable transactions, giving players the confidence that their assets are safe and their victories are earned. This project merges the power of blockchain with the timeless strategy of chess, creating an ecosystem where skills truly matter. Now we enter as we give our Petra wallet connection to our app. So this will take few moments. Okay, so as you can see now our wallet address has come, which means that our wallet has been successfully connected to our app, which is the Aptos wallet. And with this, we can finally enter the arena to launch off the game. Okay, so now the user has entered into the dashboard page. As you can see that this is the home page for the user where he or she can see the stats, the NFT marketplace, like he or she can travel to visit marketplace or see his or her collections, and the global leaderboards, a place to verify the proof, and the place to create a custom match or play a rank match. Now, first and foremost, the most important part, when the user will first enter the app, he or she has to pay a subscription fee. We haven't implemented that yet, but that will be implemented as it is needed to overcome the market barrier. It is needed to overcome the threshold barrier. Only after the user pays the subscription fee, then he or she can mint NFTs. And as we know that a minimum of 16 chess pieces are needed to play a chess game. So after making the subscription, he or she can mint a piece, like as we can see, minting an SFT. So yeah, as you can see that it is being generated by AI. We are using a Gemini model in the background run on Ngrok server that is actually creating the image, and that will be again converted into the SFTs that we will see in few minutes. So now the AI has generated this pawn image, as you can see here, and this is the signature request where we have to give the transaction or the gas fee. You can see the NFT is being minted. Okay, so after minting, if we go to the collections page, we can see that the pawn has been successfully minted. And for example, we have already minted a knight in the previous part before the video was started. So here it is. From here, we are letting the user mint 16 NFT tokens, and these NFT tokens are nothing but the 16 chess pieces that the user will use to play the chess game. From here, first the user goes to the chess inventory game room. These inventory game rooms are nothing but lets the user choose the 16 different NFT tokens that the user will use to play the chess game. This is just like any other inventory based game like Valorant or PUBG. So, and each NFT token will contain some intrinsic weight value, which will be nothing but a correspondence to its actual NFT valuation. So after selecting all the 16 chess pieces, the user will start the game. And similarly, some other player from some other source will join the room. Once this is done, so you see the other player will also select the chess pieces, and once this is done, there will be a room will be created where you can see the different game boards for different players. So now we focus on one simple chessboard and see how our model is actually working. So first things first, we need to know that this is a pure mathematical model where the chess pieces moved will be judged according to the quality of the moves being played and the time taken to play the moves. So in a normal chess game, the player plays the move and just this is how it happens. But here, each piece that is being moved will also show a correspondence to its change in weight and its value. Like the white is giving a piece here, and so see here it is being changed. Black is moving. So this is just for the perspective of white. So if you're seeing this, so just a minute, let me complete the chess game. Once this is done, so just a second here, I would like to show you that once this is done, and see black is playing blunderously here, which is again a game of skills. And see here white wins. Since the white wins here, he gets the chance to either mint a knight or a bishop according to the user's choice. Like after this is done, here it is also being stored that the game state is this much and the game threshold value is this much. These all values are calculated according to some mathematical models that are being computed behind. So according to this, we can either improve our NFT pieces, or we can own opponents' NFT pieces. So we are currently working on improve your NFTs, but own opponents' NFTs is still under production. And from here, if we are closing is, you can see that the values of the pieces are being changed in real time. As you can see that the knight is changed from 27.78. So yeah, you can see the bishop value is changing and all. And these changes in weights is actually showing our actual correspondence to its change in value, which are nothing but the dynamic SFTs, which are semi-fungible tokens. So like here, from here, the user can go to the marketplace. Like here, if we are going to the marketplace, so as you can see that this is the marketplace here, and as per the value that the cap is being formed according to the valuation of the piece, the user can give a value beneath the cap to sell the pieces, and some other player will buy. So now the question arises that why will someone buy or sell? Because in the beginning of the match, we have already seen that they are paying a platform fee, and according to that platform fee, the user will try to do his best to play with his skills and get some more revenue out of it. So we will say that the delta or the weight that is being increased, it directly is dependent on the weightage of the actual pieces. So which means higher the weightage of the piece, the higher the delta that is being formed, which means the more the chances of the higher valuations of NFT tokens. So this forms a very good chance that someone who has high skills in chess will try to take higher weightage pieces from marketplace or from others tokens in order to get more revenue. So yeah, this is how we try to achieve a game of skills using chess. Thank you.